Hi everybody, welcome to my video on my 2019 home desk setup. I'd like to take the opportunity to thank everyone who helped me, including Camila, my wife, and Poshkins the cat, in putting this together. As you can see, it was a little bit of hard work in the lower corner there. But as it came together and as the products were delivered, I think that we did a really nice job. Thank you so much, Penelope, for all your help putting the desk together. Link down below for all the items, all the gear if you're interested, and let me know how we did. Thank you so much.
All right, getting into the gear, the standing desk is Jarvis, fully adjustable. The PC is a PowerPC custom build with an i9 processor and 32 gigabytes of RAM, also rocking the RTX 2080 card. The speakers are Audio Engine A5s, customized keyboard from Rote, a Lancer Razer mouse, and various peripherals like Sennheiser headphones, SCUF controller, tons of cable management. And again, my favorite part is that this baby goes up and down and the wires don't need any adjustments.
Thank you for taking the time out to enjoy my video. I really enjoyed the process, and I'm really looking forward to putting out some more content. Hopefully that can help you become slightly above average in all the things that you do.